Once you replace your old TV with a 4K laser TV, like VAVA's 80 to 150 inch ultra short throw 4K laser TV, you're gonna be feeling like this. That's you. That's you right there. Your favorite sports teams look great with the lights off and with the lights on and with the window open, because sunlight doesn't stand a chance against all 6,000 of these lumens. It'll make your favorite video games look like this and make you look like this. But it will not make you any better at Street Fighter. Sorry about that. Plus, it makes your favorite music videos look and sound real nice, like this one from Billie Eilish. Or this weird one from Ed Sheeran and J.J. Abrams. I mean, really, this video is really weird. Are they okay? I hope they're okay. Or this one from Taylor Swift. Oh, not to mention, the VAVA 4K laser TV can get really loud because of the Harman Kardon it's got a built-in Harman Kardon soundbar. Could you turn that off, please? I need to finish the video. Okay, thanks. VAVA's 4K ultra short throw laser TV. The ultimate TV replacement, which, just to reiterate, will not make you better at Street Fighter.